What's up, guys? Crutchfield Auto. Got a 3.6 Durango. I want to talk to you about that. Cylinder 2 misfire, intermittent, not all the time. It would come and go. Okay, that's one indicator. If you're having an issue with the injector and an issue with the spark plug or coil pack, the majority of the time it's going to stick and stay, even if you got to just get the vehicle warm first, right? This one would come, stay around until you could shut it off, crank it right back up, and it'd be fine until it finally showed up again. All right, but what we finally got it to do is also a P015D code, which has to do with the VVL or VVT. These newer ones have a VVT solenoid for the front cylinder on both banks, and then another one for the rear 2 cylinders on both banks. Oil change and a VVT, no more misfire. Check that out, maybe it'll help somebody.